page 6, there is a story there on top. NGO questions Raila's suitability to contest presidency. This is a discussion that one cannot have in this country, because if you have this discussion in this country, you are labeled something. But this NGO is saying there have been consistent allegations of impropriety and questions on integrity on the person of Raila Odinga, and this should be investigated with a view to find his suitability to contesting the presidency. Is it a legitimate conversation? Yes, I think it's a legitimate conversation. Especially
in the wake of the vetting that was proposed, that aspirants and politicians will have to be vetted.
Yes.
Legitimate. Yes, but is it going to work? That's the question.
There's the issue of the conversation, and there is the issue of, do we have structures that can now take the conversation further so that these issues are actionable? There's also the story there of Nyenze, same page 6.